Hi guys, welcome to Kasui Cooks. Today we're gonna do some oven baked cuckoo chicken, for those who don't know what cuckoo is. So first things first, as usual, it's never that serious. Oh, my lipstick. Oh, it's done. So yeah, let's start. We're gonna do just simple meal today. I'm gonna put my potatoes, put them in a baking tray. Smokey, we are shooting, Baba. What's up? Some carrots already peeled and chopped. Some onions chopped into big chunks. Some pili hoho, capsicums and tomatoes. So I'm gonna spice them up a little bit. I'll use turmeric, a teaspoon. Some of the spices I just eyeball them. Black pepper, a teaspoon too. Rosemary leaves, they're so perfect with potatoes. When you boil potatoes, roast them, even for making tea, rosemary leaves are the best. And cumin, just a little bit of cumin. And where's paprika, my favorite spice of all? The same, a teaspoon. And some olive oil, so that they don't dry up in there. So what I'm gonna do, use my hands to mix everything up. You can use actually any vegetables you have, from zucchini, eggplant, whichever vegetables you fancy, it's okay by you. So just rock yourself out. So I'm gonna place the chicken. This chicken has been marinating for a day. It was marinated in ginger, garlic paste, paprika, salt. So I'm just gonna place it on top here. They're actually in small pieces. Oh, it actually fits nicely. And some lemon slices. We've put everything, the vegetables, the potatoes, the marinated chicken. It's in the casserole dish. So the oven is already preheat. We'll bake it for 40 minutes. I'll keep on checking, turning, tossing everything around. And then, yeah, see if it gets yummy after. Cool.